Hi, Erik. Could you please share with us what exactly is a cacao ceremony and what could I expect to experience if I joined one?
So, cacao ceremony in the modern age, it's a very inviting experience. It's something where you have a community, a very intentional gathering, sometimes people who have differing views, but we all sit together. We all have this fundamental need for unification, for healing, for being able to share in a safe container. And through the guidance of this theobroma cacao, the food of the gods, it essentially opens us all up together. So we do have this little shimmer, this little opening of divinity in the space, and we can start to connect from that place. So, what to expect, I think, is getting able to not only connect with others, but yourself in a new way, in a really profound and enriching and enlivening way that honors this medicine and honors, I think, what we're all looking for is that sense of community and unity.